What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Today I'm going to show you a holster by Alabama Holsters for your front pocket. And this is the one for the Ruger LCP Max. And this is fantastic here. I can't show you that this has been safety checked because it's my understanding that it's showing operation of the firearm. But you'll just have to take my word for it. But I have checked this out. I just received this and I want to give you a little tour of what this is because I bought it based on the reviews that people were saying online. A lot of people were commenting that this is the best one, and if you're looking for a front pocket holster, it could possibly be it. This is Kydex. You can see the black hardware here. First of all, it's got a nice smooth finish, so if you are using this for a pocket, there's nothing here that's really sticking out that's printing to me. I love the fact that the hook here is curved around, so it should fit your body a little better. You can see how it kicks up right there, so we get a nice little tooth and a grommet right there and a rivet right there, so it should grab onto your pocket. I have been testing this out. It seems to be working just fine for me. There's just a little bit of opening there, and you have your adjustment screw right there. Now, one of the things that I wanted to show you is that up here on the top, and you can pick it for left or right hand, but on my right hand draw here, they have kind of bent the top out, and I think that's to kind of push it away from your body just a little bit so that you can get your hand around it, or so the grip is just away from the body a little bit. And I kind of like that little detail there. That's pretty nice. So it goes in just like that. I haven't adjusted the screw or anything, but it seems to be in there pretty good. But does it work for pocket draw?
All right, well, this probably won't be the easiest thing to see here, but I have kind of my standard shorts on here, and I just want to put this in again. This isn't loaded, so it's a little lighter than it normally would be, but this is what it looks like. Well, it looks like I've got a cell phone or something like that. But what I can do is I can get my hand on it, so that's pretty easy. But this little hook here, that's the question of, will that pull that holster off? So if I just go in here like this, pull it out, you can see that now it is out and the holster has fallen away. It's going to fall away from you. If you are familiar with the OTA loop thought process, that might actually help you to have something else kind of flying away from you, making noise, rattling around. So is this little pocket holster the pocket holster? I think it is. So far, so good. I'm really loving it. So if you want to pick one up, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda. Out.